Degrees of comparison. Type 1. Comparison between two persons or two things. Positive. Comparative. As clever as. Not cleverer than. Not so clever as. Cleverer than. So as. Not less than. Examples. Examples. Positive. Comparative. Johnsy is as clever as Rosie. Rosie is not clever than Johnsy. Benjamin is at least as tall as Jan. Jan is not taller than Benjamin. Stalin is not so bright as Laser. Laser is brighter than Stalin. Lenin is not less strong than Laser. Laser is as strong as Lenin. The Green Express does not run so fast as the Blue Mountain Express. The Blue Mountain Express runs faster than the Green Express. Type 2. Positive, comparative, superlative. No other than any other. The plus superlatives. Examples. Positive, comparative, superlative. No other man in Kanpur is so rich as Akhtar. Akhtar is richer than any other man in Kanpur. Akhtar is the richest man in Kanpur. No other leader in India is as great as Gandhiji. Gandhiji is greater than any other leader in India. Gandhiji is the greatest leader in India. No other dramatist is so great as Shakespeare. Shakespeare is greater than all other dramatists. Shakespeare is the greatest of all dramatists. Type 3. Positive, comparative, superlative. Very few, than most other. One of the plus superlative. Examples. Positive, comparative, superlatives. Very few cities in England are so big as London. London is bigger than most other cities in England. London is one of the biggest cities in England. Very few leaders in India are as great as Gandhiji. Gandhiji is greater than most other leaders in India. Gandhiji is one of the greatest leaders in India. Some special cases. This is the best book of the two. This is the better book of the two. He is junior than me by 5 years. He is junior to me 5 years.